Welcome back. Now let us learn a few of the important things in basic R, and one of that is apply function. Apply function is a very strong function. So let us see how does this really works out. And for line 118, we have defined one categorical column origin, and you see from the data definitely origin is a categorical column. Okay, and let us go ahead and see. First of all, we have seen that we have seen a few things. Let me show you the data first, so that let me show you the data first. Train. I'm running the train just to show you the data. So if you see this from data point of view, this column, the origin column, looks like categorical, and remaining is the numeric and so on. Okay, and remaining is numeric. So if you want to find it out, all the numeric columns, there are multiple ways. Here, in one way that we know that only one is categorical and rest remaining is numeric. So this is the complete column name, and this is the categorical column. So set diff does the difference of the set theory. Though I hope you recollect the difference in the set theory A minus B we used to do when we have studied in our higher school. So it is doing this minus this. So let us run the 119, and if you see, okay, let me run 118 first and then 119, and now if you see, I'm just printing 119 outcome. It has everything except the origin. Okay, now this is the list of the numeric columns. We want to convert it numeric, or we want to do some kind of operation. So let us go ahead and do it. So there are multiple apply functions. One of that is lapply. L here stands for list. The syntax for this one, that it will take a vector or that list of the columns. This is each column, and temporary one function has been created over here. So where you see the x is each of the column, and each of the column we are converting to the numeric and then returning it, so that each of the column gets saved over here. So I'm repeating again, lapply, L is here list, apply, lapply does that on each and every list, and it returns the list as well. So in case of lapply, it works on this list and return the list. So it works in this way. This is the all the columns, all the numeric columns. Temporarily, this is getting called. This one temporary data function has been temporary function has been defined over here, and here x is each of these columns. So each of the column is getting data type as a numeric. So let me run it. 122. It has run complete. That's good. Now let us see something which you can really verify. There is another apply called sapply. S is that it, instead of list, it will return 1 point. So we have, this is the complete list of the numeric column, and we want to perform the mean, that is average of each of the column. So this is how you can find it out, that for each of this one, apply this function. So mean is a function, and here also we had this is a custom function. Mean is a already defined function. So let us run the 125. It has run, and now I'm printing mean all column. See, this is the mean of each of the column. See, it has, in a single line, it has got the mean of everything. So this will be helpful. Suppose you have 1000 columns. In one line, it can find it out the mean of all 1000 columns. Similarly, the sum, but this time we are going to use a different function, that is apply, without anyone. So apply, what does it say? This is the data you give, the way you have done earlier, and the second one is you tell whether it should apply on the row or column. So one is for each of the row, and 2 is for each of the column. So it will do for each of the row. So let us see and what it is giving. I'm running 128, and if you print this one, So we had the row some 300, we had the row 392 observations. So for each of the row it has done the sum, and if you see that is what we have got, 392. Now let us use the apply for column as well. 131 we are running, and so this one we have got for the column we had. Okay. Now you can find out the average of column using line 131 plus also using 125. So both are same. Only they have been figured out by two different methods. One is through sapply and this is from apply. So it must be same. So let us find it out. So there is alt.equal. There is one function that help us to identify whether these two vectors are same. So let us run 134. It is saying true. True means yes, it is same. That is very good. Okay. Now what we are, I want you to do the crossword. We have cylinders, that is column, convert to factor using apply. Even if it is 1, please convert to factor using apply. And sum of this engine displacement and horsepower, please do it using apply. I know it can be done by individual column, but try to do it using apply. So these are the classwork for you. Okay. So you can now I'm going to end this video, and after that please do these two classwork. Thanks a lot for watching this. See you in the next one.